saw an angel coming down from heaven, having the key of the bottomless pit and a great chain in his hand. See, I told you, the end is coming to... What? Oh, they're here? Oh, where? Oh, there they are. Hello, friends. Preacher here. Friends, I wanted to say something very important to you today. When you open your mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth. Builderall is the complete and affordable digital marketing platform. This is why people think there is a catch. Friends, try it. A free trial is the solution. Visit today at www.builderallrockstar.com. Amen? Amen!